Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create subscriptions in the TikTok app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the TikTok app. Here it opens up in the home menu, but we have to go into the profile menu. In the profile menu, in the top right corner, there are three lines. We tap on those. Here in this little pop-up, we select Creator Tools. And in the Creator Tools menu, there is a subscription button. We tap on that. And here we can create a subscription and add different features to our account. So, for example, exclusive content for those that have a subscription and stuff like that. But that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.